Have you ever watched a movie in English, understood every single word, and still had no idea what was going on? That's because Americans don't just speak English, they speak slang. Today, I'm giving you 10 real, everyday American slang words that native speakers use constantly. By the end of this video, you'll understand them and sound more natural using them. Let's go.
Number 1, hang out. This means to spend relaxed, casual time with someone. No big plan, just being together. For example, do you want to hang out this weekend? It just means let's spend time together. Nothing formal.
Number 2, chill or chill out. It means to relax, to calm down. I'm just gonna chill at home tonight. Notice gonna is the spoken casual version of going to. You'll hear that a lot. Number 3, my bad. This is a casual way to say it's my fault or sorry. I forgot to call you back. My bad. Quick, casual, friendly. You'll hear this between friends and coworkers all the time. Number 4, no way. This shows surprise or disbelief, like, I can't believe it. You got the job? No way! Congratulations! It's short. Number 5, for real, has 2 jobs. First, as a question. For real? You're moving to Canada? Meaning, is that true? Second, as emphasis. That movie was for real amazing. Context tells you which one. Number 6, a piece of cake. It has nothing to do with dessert. It means something is very easy. Was the test hard? No, it was a piece of cake. Simple was so easy. It was a piece of blank. Pause now and say the answer out loud. Got it? It's cake. Saying it out loud helps your brain remember it faster than just reading. Number 7, break a leg. Don't worry, it does not mean actually breaking your leg. It means good luck, especially before a performance or big event. You have your presentation today? Break a leg. Number 8, sick. You know this word means ill, but in slang, it means awesome or really cool. Did you see his new car? It's sick. Tone and context tell you which meaning is being used. Number 9, binge watch. It means watching many episodes of a show, one after another, without stopping. I binge watched the whole season in one night. Very common when talking about Netflix or streaming. Number 10, to ghost someone. It means to suddenly stop replying or communicating with someone without explanation. He just ghosted me after our first date. Very common in modern dating and texting culture. Let's recap. Hang out, chill, my bad, no way, for real, piece of cake, break a leg, sick, binge watch, and ghost. 10 words, and now you understand exactly what Americans mean when they use them. Want to keep practicing these? I made a free PDF with all 10 words, their meanings, and example sentences. Link is in the description. Download it, keep it handy, and use one of these words today. See you in the next video.